In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions in Smartsheet. User Roles 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to assign the right access so your team has what they need. No more and no less. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. This is where everything begins. If you're not signed in yet, log into your Smartsheet account. Enter your credentials, complete any two-factor prompts if they appear, and proceed. That's all you need to do here. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage. This is your hub for recent work, favorites, and anything you've pinned. It's a good place to confirm you're in the right account and plan before you make changes. Look to the left sidebar to see the main navigation options. This panel helps you jump between Home, Browse, Notifications, and more. We won't use most of these for permissions, but it's helpful to know where you are in the interface as you move around. Next, go to the top right and click the profile icon. This is your gateway to account-level controls. From the menu that appears, click User Management. Smartsheet will open your user administration area in a new tab or panel, depending on your setup. In the Users section, find the person whose access you need to update. If you have a long list, use the search bar to locate them quickly. When you see their name, click the three dots to open more actions. Then choose Edit User. This opens the details you need to change roles safely. Now set the roles. Licensed user is for people who need to create and own sheets, dashboards, and other assets, and take advantage of premium capabilities. If someone only needs to view or make limited edits on items shared with them, they generally don't need a license. Plan Asset Admin is designed for managing shared assets across the plan. Think templates, themes, and other reusable content that needs stewardship. System Admin is the highest level, responsible for user provisioning, security settings, and organization-wide controls. Assign this carefully and only to trusted administrators. If you don't see these options, you may not have the right admin permissions yourself, so check with your current system admin. When you've selected the appropriate role or roles, click Save. Changes apply right away, so confirm the user's access by having them refresh or sign back in if needed. It's a good practice to document who has which role and review these settings periodically to keep your environment secure and organized. That's it. You've set user permissions in Smartsheet confidently and correctly.